right, y'all, I'm about to go into this nail shop and get my nails done. I dyed my hair, so y'all see I got dye and everything all over my nails. So this is the before, and I'm going to show y'all the after. I hope they do a good job of it, but I'm going in to get them done. This is the before, and I'm going to show y'all the after, and I'm going to get my toes done also.
Yes. Too hot.
No, good.
Thank you. Phone.
You're live. I know this is the time of the year where everybody's giving, doing Secret Santa, going to all your Christmas parties, trying to make sure that all your friends and everyone else has a gift, because we're trying to do what Christ did for us and give back. But don't forget to take out some time for yourself. Go get that pedicure. Young lady, young man, boy, girl, whoever you are watching this, take out some time for yourself. Take yourself to lunch. Buy yourself a treat. Buy yourself a stocking. Don't forget to treat yourself. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember this Vlogmas season, we having fun, we relaxing. I'm not even committed to any days, I'm just uploading. So what I did, I went and got me a pedicure, and I also got a manicure. Now the young lady that does my pedicure, Ms.Ann, y'all can't have her. Y'all can only get Ms.Ann when I have not booked Ms.Ann. She fuss at me if I don't come back when she tell me to come back, but she never ever do it in an ugly way. As y'all saw when y'all was watching the video, she takes her time with each step and makes sure that Sweet Pea feet are on point. Don't she, Deluxe? Yes, Ms.Ann does. George, the young man that did my manicure, as y'all can see, does it look nice? Y'all like it? He did the French tips and he freehanded. These are my nails, no acrylic, because I was telling him how I don't really like to wear the acrylic, because if y'all notice the way your nails feel thin, so I just wear my regular nails, and I think he did an excellent job. Comment down below, bam, and let me know how y'all like it. Leave George and Ms.Ann a comment, and I'm gonna show it to them the next time that I go into the shop. And the color that I show for my toes, as y'all can see here, I chose clear pink, and I did the gel. I wasn't gonna get any polish on my nails. In the wintertime, I like to allow my nails to breathe. I get the pedicure, but I didn't want to get anything on my nails. But of course, Ms.Ann taught me. She said, no, you have to get color for your husband. You married. I said, okay, Ms.Ann. So I had to get some color. I chose the clear pink for my nails. This is Merry Christmas, Merry Vlogmas. We relaxing, having fun, and enjoying life. Thank each and every one of you for watching this video, and I know you're gonna comment, I know you're gonna subscribe, and you already have hit that like button. Now I need for you to go and share that video with someone else and say, ooh, wait, girl, oh boy, y'all look at supportive mom feet. Girl, look at her feet. I think that came out pretty nice. Make sure you let me know how to Ms.Ann do anything that you like about the pedicure or the manicure, how you felt about the steps that she did, if these are the steps that your shop use where you go. And supportive mom gonna talk to you the next time. Merry Christmas.
Choosing on the desk.